at the weekly heart of Kudumuluguma in Malkangiri district. A colourful market held every Thursday, Kudumuluguma is one of the several markets in the plains of Malkangiri that are frequented by hill tribes like the Bonda. Bonda women visit this market to sell brooms and surplus agricultural or forest produce. Among the tribes present here, you will notice that their attire is the most colourful and distinctive. You can see them briskly transacting business, wearing short hand-woven skirts and an abundance of bead necklaces to cover the upper part of their body. The attire is said to be the result of a curse, a legend we will hear when we reach Mudulipada village. Their produce sold, the women buy a few daily necessities, trinkets, beads and yarn before returning to their homes in the Bonda hills. The Bonda hills are a remote highland country, part of the Kondakamberu range of the Eastern Ghats. These rolling hills have long served to isolate this community from the outside world. A small tribe, the Bonda are agriculturists who supplement their income with animal rearing and the collection of seasonal forest produce. Let us visit the community in the upper reaches of the Bonda hills and be humbled by their simple way of life.